So if you have just joined LiveGood or you are thinking about joining LiveGood, there's something that you need to know. And that is you can make money with LiveGood. All right. I know a lot of people making a lot of content, on Facebook, TikTok, a lot of YouTube videos talking about LiveGood. There's even some LiveGood haters out there that talk about like, oh, it's a scam or you can't make money with it. But there's a lot of positive LiveGood videos out there from LiveGood members who are showing you how you can make money online. They're showing you their payment proofs and all that stuff. But a lot of times that still don't, convince people to join an opportunity, right? And I just want to say, as somebody who's, just a normal person, make YouTube videos, that's my thing. Like, this is a real opportunity. And if you're watching this video, you should really understand that, yes, forget all the hoopla, whatever. You can make money with LiveGood. They actually do pay you. There actually is a structure, right? There's actually team building, and you actually do get paid for other people's efforts. All of this is real because I'm in it. I'm living it right now. And I know there's other people out there that they talk and they're like, well, I'm not making money yet. Like, I just can't make any money. And what you have to understand is nothing is guaranteed. The only thing that you can guarantee is your hustle, is your grind, is your dedication, right? Common sense. If somebody could say, hey, if you sign up for this program, sign up right now, and in 5 days, I'm going to send you $5,000. Everybody would sign up for it. Everybody would do it. And they would just sit back and wait for that $5,000. But in the real world, you got to put in some effort, right? If you want to be successful with LiveGood, and I'm talking about the big money, the $5,000, $10,000 a month, you have to be dedicated and you have to take action. You have to take this opportunity serious. I know, because it's so simple. It's like, oh, everybody tell you just become an affiliate and just promote the LiveGood tour. Just put that out in front of people. That's it. It's a numbers game. Just put it out in front of people, right? People just think that's so easy. They're like, oh, that's too good to be true. All I got to do is post it, right? Yeah, that's really all you got to do, because just because you post it don't mean everybody going to sign up. So you have to show some sort of consistency, have some sort of strategy, right? But if you do that and you stay dedicated, the money ultimately is going to come. Keeping it real, you might start earning money the very first day with LiveGood, but it might take you 2 months to get your first affiliate. It all depends on your grind and your hustle. But you should definitely understand that this is an incredible opportunity. People in my group, on my team, are making $5,000 and $10,000 a month, and the company only been around 6 months. I have already made money with LiveGood, right? That's why I'm ramping up, what I'm talking about, because I'm like, yo, this is real. Everybody who watches these videos where I talk about it, they need to be jumping on LiveGood. Trust me, right? That's why I put out so much content, because I got videos about LiveGood, with 30 views, right? Whatever, right? I got some videos with 100 views, and it got me a couple referrals. It got me some leads, whatever, right? So I know I just need to keep on producing content. That's it, right? That's my goal. Get people in front of this opportunity, because I know that if I don't put it in front of people, somebody else is going to put it in front of them people, right? So that is what drives me and motivates me. But when it comes to LiveGood and the earning potential and the products, how they're quality products, the product line is constantly growing, right? The 50% matching bonus, all of these things are like no-brainers. And I know this is why I put out so much damn content, because I'm like, yo, people need to be on this opportunity, right? So if you do decide to jump on LiveGood and sign up, you pre-enroll and you become an affiliate, just take it serious, right? Go out there, get your first 1 or 2 referrals. Just do it. Even if it's like somebody who looking for a side hustle, somebody even in your family or a friend. This ain't like, selling hocus pocus shit. This is like a real opportunity that you should feel comfortable sharing this with a friend. Like, this ain't nothing to be embarrassed about. This is something you should feel very comfortable and excited to share with people. So go out there, get your first, right? Just get your first affiliate sale, right? Get your first 2, and then rejoice, be excited, because now you on the right track. Because guess what? Just bringing in one referral to LiveGood could change your life, could change your financial future drastically. Let me repeat that. Just one referral could change everything. 2 referrals can really change. Obviously, it just gets bigger and bigger. So just listen, get your first referral, get your first affiliate commission. Why? Because for every personal enrollee that you get, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever that person earns. So even with one person that you bring in, just say that person is the ultimate go-getter, the ultimate ass kicker. They out there promoting LiveGood. They just making it happen. And that one person makes $10,000 a month in a year, right? You're going to get a 50% matching bonus. So you're going to get $5,000 from that one person. But let's just drop it down even more. Let's just say that one person, they doing all right. They're making $1,000 a month from LiveGood. You're going to get $500 off that one person. All right. So you do the math in your head. You got to ask yourself, how many people, how many personal referrals do you want to bring in to LiveGood? And ask yourself, how many personals can you bring into LiveGood? So I encourage you, if you're thinking about joining, jump on, get started, get that first referral, and you'll be on the right track. All right. There's money to be made. I'm super excited about LiveGood. The growth of the company, the earning potential is phenomenal. If you're ready to jump on the LiveGood team, click that link in the description and let's go.